In this video, we're going to show you how to change your windshield washer fluid. Let's get to it. You should always change your washer fluid before winter, especially if you live in colder areas. That's because regular washer fluid might freeze, and if the fluid freezes, it expands, which can crack your reservoir, pump, connector pieces, and washer fluid nozzle. Another problem of regular washer fluid is that if you use it while driving in freezing temperatures, it will freeze on your windshield and reduce visibility. To avoid all these problems, you need to change your washer fluid. First, locate the reservoir, which is indicated by the symbol of a windshield with the washer fluid spraying out. Don't put it in other reservoirs, and if you're not sure, you can always check your owner's manual. Then open the reservoir and grab a fluid pump like this or any other fluid extractor. Doesn't matter. Put the pump as far in the reservoir as you can and pump the fluid out. It's super fast and easy. Then fill it with washer fluid that contains antifreeze and is rated for temperatures well below your coldest temperatures during winter. A lot of winter washer fluids go as low as minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit, while regular ones may only protect to plus 32 degrees. So make sure you pick the right one suited for your climate. And with the washer fluid topped to the full line, there's only one more thing to do. Spray a few times so the old, non-antifreeze fluid in the lines gets replaced with the new fluid. That's all there is to it. Now you can change your washer fluid. Thanks for watching. More videos are on the way, so be sure to like, comment, and share this video. It really helps us out a lot. Our content wouldn't be possible without the amazing support of our patrons and YouTube channel members, whose crew you can join via the links in the description to see our schedule, vote on future videos, get behind-the-scenes sneak peeks, and much more. This is Classic Car Maintenance, and we'll see you on the next one.